Being first to market is critical. If you have an emerging device or a technology that is going to be on the market and it's going to be a breakthrough technology, being first to market is always really critical. Well, we usually are contacted at various stages. Sometimes when we get an introduction, it's actually from a quality manager or somebody on an engineering team where they've gotten to a certain point in their development and they realize that they don't like the solution that they have for their interconnect. So it was an amazing technology and they've gotten all the way through the design phases and they're getting to the end of their development and they realize that as they're going into validation that it's not the right fit or they've compromised on the cable assembly and the connector. So to give an example, we were contacted on a Thursday night. They were already in qualification and it was just a quality manager that said he had a horrible connector and he wanted to see if we could do something quickly, if we could actually turn something around and qualify a cable assembly and connector within 3 months. So we went by on a Thursday night. This is a true story. Went down and visited this company. And then by Monday morning, we actually had a functional prototype that fit within the space that they were looking for. They already had the handle tooled up and we were able to fit within that profile and come up with a seamless product integration. And they loved the concept. We then presented to their entire team that week. And it went from there, developed a full scope of work, and we met all of their target deliverables in terms of design phase closure, prototyping, seamless product integration. They didn't even have to change the handle that they had already tooled up. They didn't want to have additional tooling costs, and we were able to fit within that space. So we like to be on the front end of the conversation, but it doesn't mean that we can't work with you if you're already in development. So.